Hi everybody, and welcome to a short tutorial demonstrating how to open a window using GLFW in Rust. To complete this tutorial, you're going to need the Rust toolchain, CMake, and a text editor. If you do not have the Rust toolchain or CMake, head over to their respective websites and download the installer. I'm going to link both of them in the description below. As a text editor, you can use everything ranging from the default Windows Notepad to Visual Studio Code. I recommend something like Visual Studio Code since it is easy to use and offers features like auto-completion. Okay, to start off, you're going to create a folder which is going to act as your project workspace. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it GLFW example. Go ahead and open that folder in Visual Studio Code, as well as opening a command prompt inside of the folder. To do this, simply enter the folder and type cmd into the path. Okay, now you're going to create a new text file inside of the workspace directory. Go ahead and call this text file cargo.toml. Open the text file in Visual Studio Code and enter two things. First, type Workspace inside of square brackets, followed by members equals and also a pair of square brackets. Inside of here, you can specify all the packages this workspace will contain. We will only need one package, and you can call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it example. Then go ahead and create all the packages you outlined using the cargo new command, followed by the package name. This is going to create a folder for us with the package name, as well as multiple files. We are interested in the cargo.toml file, as well as the main.rs file found in the src directory. First, to use the GLFW crate, you have to add it as a dependency. Go ahead and head over to the crates.io page for the GLFW crate and copy the following string from here into the cargo.toml file. This is the cargo file found inside of the example package, not inside of the workspace. Then go ahead and open the main.rs file found in the src directory. Here you can see our main function, which is going to run our Rust program. Go ahead and get rid of that function and copy the example from the GLFW crates.io webpage. Paste the example into the main.rs file and run the whole program using cargo run. Building GLFW is going to take a short while, but if everything works out as it should, you will have this small window here. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below.